everyone! So I've been wanting to do something extra special for my little one, Ruhi. And I thought, why not create a magical play kitchen for her? I went with the pink color because it's her favorite color. She just loves it. She's absolutely obsessed with pretending to cook. So I figured, let's make her dream kitchen come true. And the exciting part is that we will be using old cardboard boxes for this. Let's get started. I didn't really have a plan when I started. I just wanted to make something Ruhi would love. Each step, a new idea popped up, and it all just came together. Isn't that amazing? You know, at first I was thinking of a brown cardboard kitchen, something simple. But then Ruhi looked at me with those big, sparkly eyes and said, "Pink, Mommy." So of course we had to go pink. It's her dream kitchen after all. A play kitchen like this is every little girl's dream. And it's even more special when you make it yourself. We had so much fun building this together. These little rings here, they're actually from all the duct tape rolls we've used up. You know, there's something really special about making something yourself for your kids. It's like putting a piece of your heart into it. I think Ruhi loves this kitchen even more because she knows how much time and effort went into it, rather than if I just bought it from a store. And it was a really great way of spending more time with her. This is so heartwarming for me because I know as a kid, I would have loved a kitchen like this. And there's something so fulfilling about giving my daughter something I always wished for. It's like a little piece of my childhood that's living on through her. Watching her imagination run wild in this kitchen makes me feel incredibly complete. See this bottom part of the kitchen? It's perfect for storing all your favorite toys.